The futuristic disruption. Forget synthetic air scrubbers and those power-hungry mechanical lungs. The future of 2026 smart cities isn't built in a clean room, it's rooted in ancient DNA. We are currently re-engineering urban respiration by integrating Tulsi Bio-Filtration into modular smart grids. We are talking about a biological system designed to outpace modern machinery. But here's the million-dollar question. Can a sacred plant actually scrub atmospheric pollutants more efficiently than a billion-dollar carbon capture plant? The data says yes. Let's analyze the disruption. The scientific David versus Goliath. What if a single leaf holds more power than a high-tech industrial plant? It sounds like sci-fi, but by syncing 2026 biosensors with Vedic Ethnobotany, we are proving a massive biomechanical advantage. Look at this live stomatal analysis. Unlike most plants that shut down their breathing at night, certain varieties of Tulsi exhibit a unique metabolic pathway. While your high-tech filters clog and require 500 kilowatts of power to cycle air, Tulsi uses solar energy to perform bioremediation, actively neutralizing sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and particulate matter 2.5. We are going under the microscope to see if Tulsi's oxygen release can truly save our suffocating cities. The secret? It's not just about oxygen, it's about the ursolic acid and volatile organic compounds, VOCs, the plant emits that naturally disinfect the air around it. It's a self-cleaning, self-replicating air purifier. The high-stakes vision. Building the prototype. Our cities are gasping for air. The solution isn't mechanical, it's biological. We are building the first oxygen city prototype by embedding Tulsi into high-frequency smart infrastructure. Imagine bionodes at every street corner. These aren't just planters, they are high-frequency sequestering units. The 2026 Edge. We've integrated these plants into a LoRaWAN mesh network. Real-time data. Every plant is equipped with a root zone moisture sensor and an oxygen output monitor. The result, when the city's traffic spikes and carbon dioxide levels rise, the smart grid triggers a misting system to optimize the Tulsi's transpiration rate in real time. This is the synthesis of 2026 engineering and ancient wisdom. And the real-time data? It's absolutely staggering. We are seeing a 15% reduction in localized carbon dioxide levels within just 48 hours of node activation. We are moving from a world of gray infrastructure to living infrastructure. But I want to hear from you. If we can replace one noisy, expensive air filtration machine with 1,000 biosmart Tulsi units, would you feel safer breathing in your city? Drop a comment below, bio or machine. Where are you putting your tax dollars in 2026? Hit subscribe to track the Oxygen City prototype live. The revolution is growing. Let's breathe easy.